Imagine trekking across a scorching desert or a frozen wasteland, and suddenly, on the horizon, a shimmering city appears. You see skyscrapers, jagged towers, and massive castles floating in the sky. You aren't losing your mind, and no, you haven't stumbled into a Marvel movie. You are witnessing a Fata Morgana, the most complex and deceptive mirage on Earth. For centuries, sailors thought these were ghost ships or enchanted islands. But the truth isn't magic. It's a masterclass in atmospheric physics.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
To understand a Fata Morgana, we first have to talk about how light travels. Normally, light travels in straight lines. But light is also a bit of a path of least resistance traveler. When it moves through air of different densities, it bends. This is called refraction. Most of us have seen the puddle on a hot road. That's an inferior mirage, where hot air near the ground bends light upward. But a Fata Morgana is a superior mirage, and it's much more sophisticated. It requires a temperature inversion, a layer of cold, dense air trapped right at the surface, with a layer of much warmer air sitting directly on top of it. This setup creates a light duct. As light reflects off a distant object, like a simple boat or a jagged piece of ice, it enters this sandwich of air. The warm air bends the light back down, while the cool air bends it back up. The result? The light actually follows the curvature of the Earth. But here's the crazy part. As the light passes through these layers, the atmosphere acts like a series of warped, magnifying lenses. It takes a low-lying object and stretches it vertically, stacking images on top of each other. A small rock can be stretched into a 10-story tower. A flat ice floe becomes a shimmering city wall. It's a literal glitch in the matrix caused by the weather. Historically, this phenomenon is likely what caused the legend of the Flying Dutchman, sailors seeing a ship floating high above the water. And it even tricked famous explorers into discovering mountain ranges that didn't exist. So, the next time you see a city in the clouds where there shouldn't be one, don't pack your bags for an urban adventure. Just appreciate the fact that you're looking at a giant, natural light show that has been fooling humans for thousands of years. If you saw a floating castle on the horizon, would you head toward it to investigate, or would you turn around and walk the other way? Let me know in the comments.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.